Sometimes I would say I'm all over the place, or I just get to just forget my emotions, and then I just bring out my Raz life and just do things. If you are a young woman who loves beauty, you desire elegance, and you want to grow your relationship with God while being the best version of yourself, my girl, you are exactly where you need to be. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amiri Peculiar, and if this is the first time you are seeing me, hello, thank you so much for stopping. Thank you so much for joining us. And if it's not your first time of seeing me, hello there. Thank you so much for coming back again. So I just thought to give us a bit of structure so we understand what we're all about on this channel. Okay? Again, my name is Peculiar. I'm a hairstylist. I am a young woman intentionally trying to build her relationship with God, trying to build her work with God, and building elegance and sophistication. So this channel was created as a safe space for ladies who want to build elegance and sophistication. Ladies who want more than just strength. Ladies who want depth, growth, poise, and purpose. So here we talk about self-development, how to carry yourself with grace, how to build discipline, how to build emotional intelligence, how to evolve into your woman power. You guys, I'm not there yet, but yeah, I want us to begin this journey together. I'm going to be giving you guys bits, pieces of my life and tips of how we are going to be doing this, walking this journey together, okay? As a family, and most importantly, on this channel, we talk about God. It is very important to talk about God because for me, I just feel like building a life without God is one of the most easiest ways to get distracted. Without God, it is very easy for you to build a beautiful, well-organized life that leads to nowhere. So this is not just a channel, it's a community of godly, intentional ladies learning together, growing together, and becoming together. Sometimes I would say I'm all over the place, or I just get to just forget my emotions, and then I just bring out my Raz life and just do things. But I'm on this journey where I'm trying to be intentional about the life I'm going to live. I don't just want to just have situations just take control over how I just say things, over how I act in some certain areas of my life. At some point in my life, I discovered that I was overly agitated. I usually allow things to get to me, or when I see deadlines, I'm frightening. I'm all over the place. I'm already sweating. I'm already confused. I'm lost in thought, and then it just affects my whole physical being. I don't know. It just affects my mood, affects how I speak to people, affects everything, affects my productivity. And I just said to myself, Peculiar, if this is the kind of person you are trying to be, there are deliberate steps. There are things you have to do. Okay, there is how you should position your life. I think there was a time in my life where I was trying to build a particular aspect of my body and how it used to be, and I was like, no, I don't want this aspect of my body to be exactly like this. I want it to build, like, I really wanted to build it to the point where I want to admire it on somebody else. And I started taking intentional steps, and that was basically like adjusting in a particular way. I was always conscious of these things. Now, being intentional, if you are trying to build an intentional life, it starts with actually being intentional on your own. Okay, it doesn't just start like just wake up tomorrow morning and then you're all of a sudden you find yourself as an intentional one, or you just think about it and you wake up and you say, oh yeah, I'm an intentional. It doesn't work like that. It comes with responsibilities. It comes with attitude that you have to live in the past. It comes with attitude that you have to pick up to be exactly how you want to be. It could probably be soft-spokenness. It could probably be, oh, I speak too loud and I want to, tone it down. Okay, it could probably be, oh, I laugh too much and I want to just laugh in a very cute answer. I'm telling you, as little as those things, yes, as little as those things, they just basically shape the nature of person you're becoming. You will see yourself in like 10 years time. People will say, oh, I just find you just speak so calm. And you were not born speaking that calm, you were not born that soft way. And that doesn't mean you're weak. But you see that this is what I want to do and I choose to speak collectively like this. Okay? So I'm not saying mine is speaking, but yours could be speaking, yours could be how you look at people. 5 years down the line, if you are so intentional, 2 years, 3 years, you see people get to compliment you and say, oh, I love how you carry yourself, I love how you sit down and voices. I love how you listen to people. I love how you take it. Okay, so that is everything. Now, if this sounds like you, if this sounds like the journey you're on, the woman you're becoming, if this sounds like already who you are, then you have to stick around with me. Okay, stick around with me on this channel. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. I don't have it all figured out. I don't know it all. Okay, this journey is intentional. I'm more than glad that you are here. Like I always say, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you like this video, please like it. In actual sense, like it. It just helps YouTube pushes my video up there to meet other of our intentional ladies that we want to meet, have the community together with. Okay, so like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment for me down in the comment section, and I am going to see you guys in my video. Until then, don't forget to stay blessed and stay fabulous. Bye.